Hi, welcome back in Portugal, in the now so Serradura wood workshop, recycling shop, alternative musical instruments shop. I don't know what to call it anymore, we're doing so many things, but we made the finger joint jig last week and it's time to start using it, so let's not waste time and start with the next project. bad stuff. Then I don't know if I put like oil or wax on it or lacquer. I mean, it feels so nice now as it is. Gotta think about that. And that's what it's all about. It's been a week since I've had my last tobacco, and I'm using this e-smoker, and I'm getting used to it. No tar in my lungs, but still a bit of nicotine, but that's what I needed, a docking station. It's the one for on my desk. I will make another one just I can put the e-smoker in, but this one is just to have everything in the same place. The bottles of fluid, the e-smoker itself, and of course all the things that come with it in the little box. Turn out pretty good. Now there's a reason for putting this groove in, because of course there's a charger and a cable which also fits in the computer, but I'll just put it in and it will still stand, and this will go into the laptop, or well, I use it with this and then charge it, and the little parts are in there, and so I'm really happy with it. In the end, the little finger joints turn out well. It's just a few pieces of old pine, some old oak from drawers, and it's waxed one time, and well, for me that's enough. It really looks nice. And well, that's it for this week. A booting system, booting block, I don't know how to call it. Well, you got them for like iPhones and all that kind of things, and iPods, but now I've got one for an e-smoker. So happy with the finger joint jig, and think I'm going to use it a lot more. So keep doing woodworking, nice way to spend your time, and see you around soon for the next video. Até logo.